June 11th, 2022, and we're here again with another update on the spread of the monkeypox virus worldwide. So let's just jump into things. Today, the United Kingdom released its first monkeypox technical briefing, which contains some information about the demographics of the specific cases, for example, 81% of them being in London. Specifically, though, 43 cases were added in England, 1 in Scotland, and 1 in Wales, so that's a total of 45 new cases in the United Kingdom, bringing the total number of cases there to 366. And there's the breakdown by parts of the United Kingdom. In Spain, there were 16 new cases, or 25 new positives, according to this news article here. Which brings the number of cases in Spain to 275, most of them being in the capital, Madrid. The Robert Koch Institute reported a increase of 34 new cases of monkeypox today, bringing the total number in Germany to 165. Currently, the virus has spread to 9 federal states listed there, and that is the update from Germany. Canada reported 5 new cases, bringing the total to 115. One of these cases was in Ottawa, and it is the first case in Ottawa, though not the first in Ontario. And the Ottawa Public Health Department has said that the risk to Ottawans remains low at the moment. Toronto reported what I believe is 3 new cases, bringing the total number of cases in the city of Toronto to 11. 21 are still under investigation, but nonetheless, 115 cases total now in Canada. In the United States, 4 new cases were identified, according to the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, bringing the total number of cases in the country to 49. 3 of the new cases were identified in San Francisco County, which was published by the San Francisco Department of Public Health. 3 additional probable cases in San Francisco residents. A 4th case, the 4th one, bringing the total to 49 cases in the country, was identified in the state of Oklahoma, according to the Oklahoma State Department of Health. It was an individual in central Oklahoma with a history of international travel, and the Oklahoma State Department of Health is currently performing contact tracing to determine whether or not people in the state of Oklahoma have been exposed to the virus. Switzerland added 2 new cases, bringing their total number of cases to 12, or 14 rather, here, as it says. So 2 new cases for a total of 14 cases in Switzerland. Not sure if Switzerland actually breaks down by geographic area, but nonetheless 14 total cases in Switzerland. Ireland reported 2 new cases, bringing the total number of cases there to 9. 9 cases total in Ireland. Sweden reported 1 new case. They had broken these cases down by geographic region previously, but no longer, it appears. Nonetheless, 1 new case in Sweden, bringing the total number of cases in the country to 6. Denmark also reported 1 new case of the virus, bringing the total number of cases in the country to 4. And you can see here the statement from the Danish health minister, and that all of the cases are related so far to international travel. Hungary reported 2 new cases of the virus, bringing the total number of cases in the country to 3. As you can see, 1 case was in an individual that resides in Budapest, the other in Pest County, which surrounds... I'm not entirely sure exactly what Pest County is, but nonetheless, 1 case in Budapest and 1 in Pest County. Poland reported its first case of the virus. You can see here from the quote from the Polish health minister. Again, this was related to international travel. Latvia also appeared to report 1 new case of the virus, at least according to the update from the European Centers for Disease Control, where Latvia is listed as having 2 confirmed cases of the virus. Latvia had previously reported its first case, and now appears to have reported the 2nd case of the virus. And lastly, Iceland reporting its first probable case of the virus, which has an overwhelming possibility of being confirmed as monkeypox itself, and thus very likely to be the first confirmed case of the virus in Iceland. That brings us to our current epidemiological situation. A significant number of new cases over the past day. And that brings us to a total number of 1,480 cases worldwide, 45 suspected cases, and 1,525 total either confirmed or suspected cases as the outbreak continues to grow. Thank you.